Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Google Photos and also happen to own a Samsung Smart TV, then just to let you know that Samsung yesterday on the 29th of December has announced that it is going to bring Google Photos integration to its smart TVs, which is going to be starting in March next year, 2026. Now, as you may well know, Google Photos still isn't officially available on any smart TVs, including Google's own Android TV and other Google TV platforms. But with this now recent announcement, this is going to be changing. Now, according to the announcement, it's not going to be a fully fledged application like an actual Photos app with the ability to browse all your photos and videos. Instead, Samsung TVs will receive select integrations that are more like what you get on smart displays. Now, this has been broken up into three categories. And the first is memories, where upon launch, Samsung TVs will get a feature called memories, which you might be familiar with if you use the Photos app on your Android device, which will be available on the TV, which will be organized by, Samsung says, people, places, and I'm quoting, meaningful moments. So after you connect your Google account, the memories will show up automatically, and that integration is planned to be released and launched in March 2026, as mentioned. And in regards to the memories feature, Samsung has said, and I'm quoting, Google Photos makes reliving and sharing special memories easy. With the planned integration, it will seamlessly bring the photos people capture on their phones to Samsung TVs, where they can appear in a larger cinematic format, quote unquote. Now, over and above the memories, which I think would be the key highlight, if we have a look at the announcement, there are two other changes that'll be rolling out to Samsung Smart TVs, where another feature that Google Photos on Samsung TVs will have is Create with AR, which will be coming in late 2026 according to the announcement, and will be powered by Google DeepMind's Nano Banana model, and will allow you to use theme templates, remix art styles, or turn photos into videos. And according to the announcement, around the same time, the third change that will be rolling out, there will be intelligent search and a slideshow tool that groups photos by specific topics such as hiking or Paris, that will also be added according to this announcement. So quite a bit coming to Samsung TVs throughout the course of next year. Now, according to this announcement, Samsung does say that the memories feature will be available first and exclusively available on Samsung TVs for 6 months, starting in March next year, which could mean that we might see Google Photos being integrated more into and on other smart TV platforms, so watch that space. And although the integration is going to start rolling out next year in March, at this stage though, it will only be available on Samsung TVs released in 2026, so there's a little bit of a catch there. And at this stage, it's not clear if the integration with Google Photos will roll out to earlier models with a software update. I personally don't see why it wouldn't, but no official word yet from Samsung. And if so, when that update will arrive. But obviously, if and when that happens, I'll try and keep you guys in the loop. And I certainly hope that it does roll out to earlier models. I think it makes sense. So if you own a Samsung TV and do use Google Photos, as mentioned, that might be something to look out for starting March next year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.